There was once a house that was overrun with mice. A cat heard of this and said to herself, "That's the place for me." And off she went and took up her quarters in the house and caught the mice one by one and ate them. At last, the mice could stand it no longer and they determined to take to their holes and stay there. "That's awkward," said the cat to herself. "The only things to do is coax them by out a trick." She considered a while and then climbed up the wall and let herself hang down by her hind legs from a bag and pretend to be dead. By and by a mouse pretended out and saw the cat hanging. It cried, "You are very clever, madam, no doubt, but you may turn yourself into a bag of meal hanging there if you like, yet you won't catch us coming anywhere near you. If you are wise, you won't be decided by the innocent airs for those whom you have once proud to be."